7 most unbelievable and strange couples that prove love is blind. Number 1. Godfrey Baguma and Kate Namanda. Godfrey Baguma and Kate Namanda are an incredible couple from Uganda. Godfrey and Kate's love story started through Kate's brother. They dated for a long time and had 4 children together before tying the knot. Godfrey is known as the ugliest man in the world, yet they are happily married, and his wife Kate truly loves him very much. The couple is living a normal life, despite facing countless challenges. Now, they are a happy, thriving family, proving that true love transcends physical appearance. Number 2. Eudoxie and Grand P. Eudoxie Yao and Grand P, a West African couple, are a shining example of the saying, "Love is blind." Grand P was born with a rare genetic condition, dwarfism, which makes him look quite small, and Eudoxie Yao is a relatively obese woman. The couple started married life through love. They face criticism from close people and society due to their mismatched physical appearance. Overcoming various challenges, the couple has kept their love and commitment to each other and is living a beautiful and independent life. This extraordinary couple proves that love truly knows no boundaries. Number 3. Shane Burkaw and Hannah Aylward. Shane Burkaw and Hannah Aylward are a remarkable couple who defy disability and social disadvantage. Shane lives with a rare form of spinal muscular atrophy that requires him to use a wheelchair. Despite Shane's physical problems, Hannah happily accepts him. The couple often shares their bonding, humor, and travel scenes on the internet platform YouTube. Shane and Hannah's relationship suggests that the couple's love is pure and fulfilling. Their story shows that true love transcends physical differences. Number 4. Anton Kraft and China Bell. Anton Kraft and China Bell are a unique couple. Anton is a 4-foot dwarf man who is married to a 6.3 feet tall woman. This rare type of couple is famous around the world for their love story. Anton is a bodybuilder, and China Bell is a beautiful model, who both have successful careers. They first met online and dated for over 6 months. Later, they got married. This couple is undoubtedly the most incredible and inspiring. They say that there is a lot of love between them, and they are very happy in their married life. Number 5. Shawn Stevenson and Mindy Kniss. A remarkable love relationship despite physical handicaps is seen in the couple of Shawn and Mindy. Shawn was a therapist, author, and motivational speaker who had osteogenesis imperfecta that caused him to be only 2 feet and 8 inches tall and is happily married to Mindy Kniss. Mindy is a life coach and entrepreneur who meets Shawn and falls in love with his beautiful mind. The couple met in 2009 and got married in 2012, and they love each other a lot. Number 6. Sunny Masilela and Helen Shabangu. Sunny Masilela and Helen Shabangu are a unique couple from South Africa. Sunny was only 8 years old when he first married Helen, when Helen was 61 and already had a husband and 5 children. The next year, they held another ceremony at Helen's home, exchanging vows and rings in the presence of 100 guests. They got married twice in cultural and traditional ceremonies to please the boys' ancestors. Sunny is happy to be married to Helen, and they have been together for many years now. Number 7. Joelison Fernandes da Silva and Evam Medeiros. Joelison Fernandes da Silva and Evam Medeiros are a Brazilian couple with a height difference of more than 3 feet. Joelison is the tallest man in Brazil and the 3rd tallest man in the world, measuring 7 feet 8 inches and Evam 5 feet. The couple met on Facebook in 2013 and fell in love at first sight. They got married in 2015 in a small ceremony, in the presence of their family and friends. Despite their huge height difference, the couple says they are happy and in love.